the reason why it is so hard for you to lose the weight, you're continuously going down this path of starting, stopping, is because your spirit is under attack. Jazz, what do you mean by that? See, losing weight is more than just the physical, okay? Losing weight is psychological and it is spiritual. I made a video about the psychological elements of losing weight. After this video, go ahead and catch that one out, okay? I talked about how losing weight is mental, okay? In this video, I'm gonna be explaining to you the reason why you can't quite match that energy spiritually, okay? Now, let's talk metaphysically here. Within anything that you're seeking, any desire that you have, you must, number one, match that frequency, okay? I deal with hundreds of clients, and the common consensus is, Coach Jazz, why it is so hard for me to cut this stubborn fat? You know, Jazz, I'm doing everything. I am working out. I'm eating right. I'm doing everything that I need to do. Yes, you're doing everything physically. However, you have not matched the frequency it takes for you to become the person. Okay? I'm going to give y'all something that was very powerful for me. One of my mentors told me this. He said, in order for you to have the thing, you must, number one, become the person. You must become the person mentally. Adopt the daily disciplines that it takes for one to be in shape. Okay? Losing weight is more than just physical. It's more than going to the gym, working out. It's more than eating right. It takes some real work spiritually. You have to feel as though you are already in shape. If not, whenever things get tough, you're going to revert back to your original ways. And that has led you here on this video right now. See, there's a reason that you're here watching this video right now. You're tired of the endless cycle. You're tired of always starting and stopping. You're tired of trying this thing and going to the next and going to the next because it's not working as fast as you would like it. You're jumping from diet to diet because you're not getting the results as frequently as you would like. You must match the person and see what you're doing. Whenever you embody the person, you're penetrating a parallel universe. I'm telling you, this is spiritual, man. You're penetrating, you're mirroring a parallel universe in which you're already your desired person. She's waiting on you. He's waiting on you. Your best version of yourself is waiting on you. You have to match the frequency. It took me 26 years to grasp this. A little background on myself. I grew up a basketball player. I was always chubby though. I always had some extra weight on me, overweight. Coming up, my playing weight was about 175 at my best. I'm gonna put up some pictures here. But it was not until I ended my playing career and I started training. I started doing basketball development for the youth. I told myself, I made a vow. I said, Jazz, I am going to look like I am someone's trainer. That is what I am going to do. And so what I did was I woke up every single day embodying the person in which you see right now. Embodying the person that walks into a room that garners respect instantly. I embodied the person that does the thing every single day. It took spiritual astuteness. It took me matching my future self. That's spiritual. It was more than the physical. It was more than me dieting in the kitchen. It was more than that, man. You want to know why? Because things happen. There are going to be days in your life where you do not feel like getting up, going to the gym. There are going to be days when you do not feel like eating clean. We're human. However, what is going to withstand you through that? How are you going to surmount that, right? Because if you have not became the person, if you have not embodied the daily disciplines, if you have not embodied the psychology, if you have not embodied the heart, the intestinal fortitude of someone who is already in shape, you're going to revert. I'm telling you right now. And that's what keeps you in the steady cycle of staying exactly where you're at. Not liking what you see in the mirror, lacking the confidence, out of breath when you walk up a flight of stairs, on the verge of being pre-diabetic. See, this is raw and uncut. I have to say this. Take back control. You have control. Whatever you believe subconsciously, that is your reality. So when you say, Jazz, I've been doing everything, but nothing works, nothing works, nothing works. You're right. Nothing is going to work. Because you're saying that, and you're not only are you saying that, you're saying that with conviction, and you're saying that with emotion, and you're saying that out loud with vibration. Yeah, you're right. Nothing is going to work for you with that attitude. You know how people say you got to be delusional? Jeff Bezos and them, they was clowning him back when Amazon wasn't making no money. They was clowning him, man. You got to be delusional. That takes you having to tap in spiritually. If you need help on your journey, if you do not know where to start, you need somebody to help guide you through this process for a bespoke plan for you. Tap into the link down below. I'm doing coaching consulting calls. Link is in the description, also pinned in the comments. Now, in order for you to combat this, you must see it in the fourth dimension. See it. You must write it in the second. Speak it. Live it. And then you can catch up to it. Once again, you have to see it in the third, write it in the second, speak it in the third. Live it. Do the thing. Be the person. It takes some spiritual astuteness. It takes embodying and becoming the person that you foresee. And then and only then will you start to close that gap, okay, to meet your desired reality. So listen, if this video resonated with you, type in the comments what section of this video really resonated with you and how you're going to combat this and finally start closing the gap to your desired reality when it comes to transforming your physical, your mental, and your spiritual. Type it down in the comments. All of my links are below. Coaching calls, tap in. All of my ebooks, Fast and Flourish. 20 natural whole foods recipes for a balanced lifestyle. Okay? Just tap in with me. I have everything that you need in order for you to level up your health and your wellness. And I'm Avanti, and I'm out. Love.